Hey guys, I'm gonna show you today no power water pump. So we have this cornfield. We had a heavy rain like 30 minutes ago, and here we go. We got a milk gallon that we cut and put a regular hose through it. And you can see it's taking the water out without any power. All you need to do is sit there and just keep pouring the buckets in there. So I tried few things before because I don't have the power source here. I tried the drill pump. The drill died soon enough, and I had to carry generator or some power source to kind of do this task. Now all you need to do is kind of hang this system a little bit higher on the higher level than the exit. So just sit on the chair, relax, and keep pouring the buckets. Trust me, it do the job. Thank you.